Good morning guys, welcome back to another video of unbox and review, and today I'm having something brand new to show you all. That is the all new Apple iPhone 12 in green color with 128 GB storage. So let's begin. And this is the cute mini box out here with the branding over sides and display picture over front side and some of the mentioning at the back side rear side. Let's open the box and see what's inside. I must tell you that not much things are available. See, a cable used for charging, and on the upper side there are some stuffs. Let's see what's inside. That's it in the box. Here it is given provided with a pin, with an Apple vinyl sticker, with the user manual, an Apple user manual, information about phone. I must tell you all that I have taken the smartphone out from the box. Guys, here I am back with the new video. This time it's not some random shit but a brand new iPhone 12. Starting with the look of this amazing phone, it comes with the aerospace grade aluminium edges which give it the perfect shape. The ceramic shield production making it tougher than the other phone obviously comes in 5 fresh finishes: red, green, blue, white and black. I personally love the color as it's soothing the eyes, not very loud, just perfect. It weighs lighter than the other products of iPhone, that is iPhone 11, and fits perfectly in your pocket. Talking about the battery life, it comes with 2815 mAh battery with fast charging. And if we talk about its camera, I'll show you some video clips and the quality of the camera. Thank you. And you can see the quality of the all new Apple iPhone 12, and I'll also show you the rear one.